So let's just talk about file system module in Node.js. So the FS module is a core module that provides all the APIs to interact with the file system. So we can work with the files and directories, and we can perform operations like we can read, write, update and delete files. So the file system is very essential for server-side applications that need to handle files. So first of all, we're gonna import require fs. So here we're just importing the fs module. Now we can perform different operations. So first of all, to read one file, we have to use the method fs.readFile, and you can see here we have two functions, readFile and readFile sync. So any operation we perform, there are two ways we can perform it. Either we can use the synchronous operation or we can use the asynchronous operations. So we should always prefer the non-blocking asynchronous operation, because most of the time we will be serving multiple clients from the backends. So it is a good practice to use asynchronous operations. So this read file will perform asynchronous operation. First parameter, it takes the path of the file to read. So we're gonna create one dummy file, demo.txt, and inside that we're gonna just have one dummy content like demo text. So here we have to set the path of the file /demo.txt, and the second parameter is the file format. So we're gonna use UTF-8, and at last it takes one callback where it has the error and the data. Now if there is any error, we're gonna console log the error. Otherwise we're just gonna console log the data that we got from the file. So let's just run this node main. So here we have the text from this file. So we're successfully reading the content of the file using this readFile method of the fs module. And let's now see how we can write the file, fs.writeFile. So here also we have the asynchronous and the synchronous version of the writeFile method. So we're gonna use this asynchronous method. So first of all, we have to provide the path, so /demo.txt. so this is the file where we're gonna write the content, and after that we have to provide the content, new content. So that is the content we're gonna write to that demo.txt, and at the end it will take one callback error. So if there is any error, we're just gonna simply console log. Otherwise we're gonna console log file written successfully. So let's just run this node main. So first of all, file written successfully with this write method, and after that we are reading the file and the data is here, so new content. So inside the file you can see the content is changed, so we have the new content. So let's now see how we can delete file. So we have to use fs.unlink. So here also we can use asynchronous non-blocking, or we can use the synchronous. So we're gonna use the asynchronous. Now to delete the file, first of all we have to specify the path of the file. So we're gonna delete the demo.txt, and then it takes one callback function with the error parameter. If there is any error, we're gonna simply console log the error. Otherwise we're gonna console log delete successful. So let's just run node main. So you can see delete successful, and you can see the file is no longer existed. File is deleted from this explorer. So the fs module of the Node.js is very powerful and flexible. Here we can perform read operation, we can perform write operation, and also we can perform the delete operation. So the fs module provides all the necessary tools to manage these tasks very efficiently. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.